Hey guys, this is Nick with Leisure Time. I'm a hot tub technician. Today we're going to be draining and refilling this hot tub here. So let's go ahead, we'll open it up. So right off the bat, you can already tell the water's pretty green. And there's a bunch of dust and a bunch of rocks down in the bottom area there. So we're going to drain the whole thing, do a full drain and refill today. So first steps first is I'm going to come over here and turn off the breaker. Next, we'll come up to the front of the hot tub where the drain is located. Some hot tubs have it on the right side, some are more in the middle. This one is on the left side. Just has a cap right on the end of it here. Take this cap off. Then on the inside right here, there is a ball valve. Just turn that parallel with the line and it'll start draining. Close that for now until I can get a hose on there. And this water will not hurt your grass. If you have no other choice than to drain it onto your grass, it actually helps it. So now I will open this up on the hose out here. You want to make sure the breakers are off when you just do drain, because your pumps could turn on, then you could get sprayed in the face and stuff like that. So just make sure your breakers are turned off and then you can start draining. It will take about a couple hours to drain this whole thing. So another option of draining a hot tub is using a sump pump. This is just a submersible pump you can put in your hot tub. It will be about, I would say, 10 times faster as using your drain on the very bottom of your hot tub. I do have a fitting on here to attach a bigger hose to it. So all you do is put your pump down in the water there. Make sure it's nice and level. Then you take your cord, hook it up to your connection. Starts pumping. So now that it's drained, we're going to go around and shop back the rest of the excess water out of the bottom. So when you're filling a salt system, we like to use this clear screen pre-filter. It is a charcoal filter to filter out any impurities in the water, metals, extra minerals and stuff like that. Hook that up to your hose. Make sure this is parallel with that so it's open. Just run it straight into your underneath your gray cap here. We got a leaker. Oh, how strong are you, JC?
Pretty strong, yeah.
See it.
Oh no. Oh no.
Thank God it's warm out.
And this one's still leaking.
As long as it's not spraying. That's not bad. Okay. So now that we added the salt, let it circulate for a little bit for 5 to 10 minutes. I am going to put in the Spa 56, which is the main disinfectant. There is no chlorine in the spa yet. You just want to jump start the spa. Next I will go through the salt system cartridge. The reason why you want to put chlorine in first is just to jump start it, to give this an idea of what it needs to produce. Later on, this will be producing chlorine for the customer, so they won't have to be adding as much of this. This is a really big tub, so I'm going to do 2 caps right in the middle there with the jets on. Next, do the salt system cartridge. How you get to that is on your display here. Hit options, salt system. There's a test, a boost, a level, and a replacement. Push the replacement. It says push and hold to replace cartridge. Push and hold it. So that will turn all the pumps off. Right there it says turning pumps off now. It says now you can remove cartridge. There's this cap here. This is what a new cartridge looks like. Has this little button right in the middle. Push and pull up. You can see a bunch of water coming up right there. Push down. You know it's seated if you don't see any water coming up. And then back to your display, it'll say push system restart once you put in your cartridge. So system restart. It'll restart the whole system. Now that the system has restarted, I'm going to go in to my options. So we'll go options, salt system. We'll test it. So right here it says salt system testing. Might take a couple seconds. Okay, every time I do a salt system it is a little bit low. The reason why it's in the yellow a little bit low, you're wanting to be right in the middle of the green. The yellow is just saying that either you have low salt levels. Most of the time it's mainly because the water's not up to temperature yet. So once the water gets up to temperature and all that excess salt gets put into the lines and in there, this should be going up. So hopefully by tonight when this heats up all the way, it should be right dead center where we want it to be. So when you don't have soft water and you only have hard water available, you fill up your hot tub. We sell these Vanishing pillows which will soften your water. So what you do is you get it wet, sopping wet on both sides. Now that it's sopping wet, and you take it, put it in here, right on that heater return. Take my net, kind of push it up against it. So it'll sit on this side for 12 hours. After 12 hours, you flip it over 180 for another 12 hours. After your full 24 hours, your water will be soft. That concludes our drain and refill on a salt system today. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below for future content from Leisure Time Inc.